join me on stage to explain this OceanEye.
Thank you very much, distinguished guests, honorable members of the European Parliament, dear friends of the ocean. Indeed, we are very proud and very pleased because 1 year after the announcement of the European Ocean Pact, we deliver what we have promised. I am very pleased to be part of the Digital Ocean Week, organized by Mercator Ocean International, which brings together the digital ocean community to advance Europe's ocean ambitions. I am particularly proud to present the OceanEye, the European Union Ocean Observation Initiative, adopted only a few days ago, a flagship initiative for President von der Leyen and this Commission. And Mercator Ocean International is currently entrusted by the European Commission with the implementation of the Copernicus Marine Service and is one of the main developers of the European Digital Twin Ocean. And through its involvement in Copernicus, Mercator Ocean International will also contribute and will be a valuable partner for the implementation of the OceanEye. But let me explain first what is the OceanEye. Last year, we announced in the European Ocean Pact that we would propose a new initiative to make the European Union a world leader in ocean observation. To position the EU at the forefront of ocean observation is not a goal per se. It is a necessity, especially now that extremely worrying signals are coming from the other side of the Atlantic about dismantling ocean monitoring system. 3 months ago, at the opening of the European Ocean Days, Commission President Ursula von der Leyen highlighted her ambitions for the OceanEye initiative, Our Window on the Ocean. And last week, we adopted the communication on the OceanEye with a clear vision and concrete proposals to transform how we observe and understand the ocean. Although the ocean covers approximately 70% of the Earth's surface, until today, only 5% has been mapped and adequately explored. So ocean observation is necessary for multiple reasons. It is necessary to protect and restore the ocean health and sustainably manage our marine environment. It is necessary to boost the competitiveness of our blue economy. It is necessary to strengthen the resilience and preparedness of coastal communities and cities and islands, especially to deal with the extreme weather phenomena and the impacts of climate change through adequate weather forecast, and to contribute to maritime security, safety, and defense. However, right now, our knowledge of the ocean is fragmented, underfunded, and at risk of collapsing just when we need it most. And that is why OceanEye aims to organize, coordinate, and support marine knowledge, covering ocean observations, marine data, and digital applications to create a unified and efficient system. OceanEye is based on 4 main pillars of action: a more structured EU governance, international cooperation with partners around the world, operational and industrial applications, increasing our competitiveness, and using ocean observation also to establish a stronger connection between the people and the ocean. Regarding the ocean observation system in the European waters, we aim to move away from the current fragmentation. We will improve our coordination and move towards a more strategic approach to ocean observing in Europe. And we also aim to develop a robust, integrated, and multidisciplinary European marine knowledge value chain, turning data into action and science into solutions for all. The new governance framework supporting these aims will be established in the Ocean Act that we will propose by the end of 2026. We also aim for the European Ocean Observation System to contribute efficiently to the global ocean observation system, GOOS. We want to help make GOOS more structured, effective, and equitably funded, while securing continuous data collection and access. And for this purpose, we will set up an international alliance to support GOOS. And we will establish a strategic partnership with the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission of UNESCO, which is the intergovernmental body that coordinates GOOS. Our aim is to unite EU member states and international partners, including interested parties from the private sector and philanthropists, to jointly commit to reinforce their own contributions to GOOS. Regarding the industrial dimension, we aim to strengthen the competitive European industrial ecosystem for ocean observation technologies and user-centered services. And just to give you an indication of the importance of this pillar, each euro that is invested in ocean observing systems indeed generates a return of 5 to 6 euros in economic and societal benefits. We also aim to ensure a stronger connection between the ocean and people, and to develop an educational, cultural, and outreach dimension, bridging science, art, education, and society. We should not forget that our ocean-related policies are becoming much more effective if they are implemented by citizens that have ocean knowledge, awareness, and responsibility. To that extent, we will, among others, launch the new European Bauhaus Ocean Coastal and Island Communities Lab. Meeting the ambition of OceanEye will require sustained investment in research and innovation, in operational infrastructures, and in high-performance digital capacities. So, dear friends, I want to close by insisting on one point. To achieve the maximum that OceanEye can offer, it is important for all of us to act together. For this reason, I count on your support and collaboration, and I would like to ask you to join us and reinforce our commitment to the international alliance. It is the moment to show true EU leadership in this global challenge. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Commissioner. I can guarantee you that the impact of the OceanEye communication is already very high.